I've got today 1 hour to go to shoot with my Leica outside, only 1 hour to do this whole video and take photos. I'm in the middle of my exams. I actually study law, I don't know if you know that or not. I'm in my third year now, in my last year, and I have my exams coming up this week, so I don't have much time to do everything that I want, but it's really important to me to go for 1 hour outside with my Leica and take photos to share with you, also this video. So let's go. That is the Brompton shop. So most of the time that I'm outside with my camera, I'm not really focusing on anything specific. There are times when I'm going to with the intention of doing art photography, and in that case I'm much more intentional about what I'm shooting and what is the most beautiful things that relate with my, let's say, style of photography. But as I said, most of the time, like today, I'm just going with my camera and capture whatever I want without really think too much. And today, I don't know why, I'm focusing much more on wheels, bicycles, cars, stuff like that. It took me 1 hour and a half, not what 1 hour is planned, so that means my whole schedule just pushed half an hour forward, and I have a lot to do today. One thing that I love so much is being productive in such a chaotic day when I have so much to do. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.